Okay, quick tip. Stripped screws or partially stripped screws. So this one is on a brake reservoir on my son's KLR 650. And I want to flush the brake fluid. And I know that a regular screwdriver is just going to make that worse. So what I'm going to use is one of these. This is an impact screwdriver. When you hit it, it turns. So it pushes down and turns. It's the only way that it turns is when it's hit, when there's pressure on it. So it pushes itself down inside the screw and turns, and it will unlock most seized rusted screws, or stripped. A lot of times stripped. If they're stripped completely round, it's not going to do it. So I'm going to push it, take it, push down and turn it as much as it will turn. Give it a couple of taps, and that screw is coming out. And that screw is pretty stripped. We'll have to replace it. You can see how badly stripped that screw is. Thanks for watching. Impact screwdriver. They're about 20 bucks. You'll never replace it, you'll never break it, but you will need it.